Well, hey guys, welcome back to Four Oaks Crafts. Hey, today I'm going to show you real quick, give you a few tips on repairing a furniture leg. And many of you probably experience this from time to time. I know I have several times, as you got these furniture legs that screw down into your bottom of your, in this case, a hassock or chase or furniture, whatever furniture you're using. And what happens is this hole here will strip out. And this will pretty much, the threads on this thing will mess up and kind of give way. And that just happens over time as people plop down on top of it, or, you know, move it around too much or put too much weight on it. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to take this out with some channel locks or pliers and screw this out. And then I'm going to replace it with this threaded piece here. And I found the best way to fix these. I know there's several methods you could use. Some people use a toothpick method where they push several toothpicks in here with glue, let that dry, and then you can pretty much put your screw your leg back in there. And I've tried that with dowels. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. But I found the best method here is to use this little metal bracket. You can get this at your home improvement store for about $3. And then you can buy this part, which is a little different than what's originally on the leg. This part's got to have some machine threaded screws on it. So it's going to go in here like that. Once I'm going to mount this metal part to the base of the furniture here, because I got a piece of wood right under here. Just going to screw this metal part down. I'm going to then, if you notice, this has machine threads on one end and then screw threads on the other. So this is going to go into the leg part here as such, and I'm going to screw it in there, and I'm going to turn this upside down, screw that in there, and it gets pretty tight. I don't know if you can see the other one over. Let me move the camera. You can see the other corner. I've already had to do this with one of the legs, and it works perfectly. So that's my tip, and I'll show you how to do some of this. Okay, so I've gone ahead and attached the metal bracket with 3 screws. I could actually put all 5 of them in, but I think 3 is going to be enough. And I put taken the old fitting that was in here in this leg, and I put in a new one. It's got the machine threads on the end. So this should just go on top. We'll just continue to tighten this down, and I will probably put a lock washer. Probably take this off and put a lock washer under there. I think I did that with the other one, and it just helps to secure it in there a little bit better. But there you go. I mean, basically, to me, this is the best way to do this, using this metal bracket. And like I said, I did it for the other corner, and it's held up fine. So give it a try if you ever run into this problem. Hope this was a good tip for you. Hey, I hope you like these videos. If you like them, please consider subscribing. And have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.